Well guys, I'm here with Christian. We're going to hike in Torghatten. I'm so excited to go and hike up and see the hole in the mountain. How many kilometers did we make from the...
About 17.
From Brønnøy Sun, right? Brønnøy Sun. 17 kilometers, eh? Yes. Alright, so here we go. There's the trail. I'm waiting for this moment where I could fly our drone here.
A few moments later.
There's a signage here.
The high hall and the deep valley shall depart.
The words and the sky shall fall. Every mountain, every tip shall suddenly vanish, but shall rise as the sun shines. God's kingdom.
It's nice.
Enjoying the view of the nature. Hello. This is it. This is it.
The whole of Torghatten.
We made it!
Yeah.
Made it! Made it! Made it!
Guys, we have a good news and a bad news. The good news is, what a beautiful view to fly a drone. But the bad news is, look at that upstairs, bald eagle. We got some eagle flying above. Now the question is, should we take the risk of flying the drone? The drone man will take the risk and fly the drone. See how it goes. Thanks so much for watching guys, and see you again next time on my next adventure. Buhay sa cruise ship, crew, shore, live!